If you want to search by image on Google Pixel 10 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. So for example, if you want to find out more about an image or something, you can just press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation bar, depending on the type of navigation that you use, like this, in order to activate Google's circle to search. And you can, for example, draw a shape around the subject that you wish to find out more about it, or you can also just tap on the subject. So both ways work. And this also works, for example, in the gallery. So if you already have a photo or something, or if you have something on your screen, generally speaking, you can use circle to search pretty much at any point. Besides that, we can also tap on this Google Lens icon that we have on the Google search bar widget at the bottom of the home screen. So if you tap over here, you can also open camera. You will need to grant permissions, of course, for the app to be able to open the camera, and you can simply aim at anything in order to try to search in Google. And you can also use a photo as well. If you grant access, you can use your image, for example, in order to try to get more information about this subject that you have, for example, in the gallery. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.